In this video, we'll walk through the member blog settings from start to finish, so you stay in control of what your community publishes. You'll decide who can post, review submissions before they go live, and set the rules for categories and tags, all while giving members a smooth front-end writing experience. Let's get started. Go to BuddyBoss, Settings, Member Blogs tab. Let's start with Publishing Posts, which controls how submissions are handled. Enable Require Admin Approval to hold member posts until you've reviewed them. Enable Notify Admin on new blog submission to get an email whenever a member submits a post. And Notify User on approval to let members know once theirs is live. You can also enable autosave to periodically save drafts as members write, a simple way to prevent lost work. And enable the featured image requirement to make sure every published post includes one. Next, categories. Enable. Allow multiple categories to let members assign more than one per post, and allow members to create new categories if you want them adding their own while publishing. Then, tags. Enable tags to let members organize their content, allow multiple tags per post, let members create new ones, and require at least one tag before a post can publish. Finally, permissions. Use the Select Role dropdown to define who can create posts, choosing from one of these methods: WordPress role, based on their assigned role like subscriber or author; profile type, restricting it to specific BuddyBoss profile types; GamiPress, based on achievements, points, or ranks; membership, limiting it to selected membership plans; or gender, based on their profile field. One note: these permissions don't apply to administrators, who can always create and manage posts. Now let's see it from the members' side, how they actually publish a blog post from the front end. On the blogs page, click the Create New button. Start by adding a featured image. This step is optional unless you've required a featured image in the settings we configured earlier. Enter a title for the blog post. Then click Add Block to build the content. Members can choose from blocks like heading, paragraph, image, and video, along with other blocks for their content. Next, select a category and add any tags. When they're done, they'll find their options up top. They can preview the post and then publish it, or if you've enabled Require Admin Approval, they'll submit it for review instead. And that's how you configure the member blog settings. You've now got complete control over who publishes, what goes live, and how members organize their content, all with a smooth writing experience on the front end. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more BuddyBoss tutorials. Thanks for watching.